Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by enabling Cloud Firestore in your Firebase project and selecting a mode. This gives you a live database quickly. Once done, create credentials, Web API key for client work, and a service account JSON for backend tasks, so you can authenticate reliably. Make sure to define minimal security rules and scaffold key collections like users and settings to model your data early. This first action prevents messy migrations later and lets you run the next steps against a stable, predictable dataset. Now you implement your data model and integrate SDKs. Install and initialize the Firebase client for your platform using the config you created. Understand why collections and documents map to your app's access patterns. Normalize for storage efficiency, but denormalize when reads must be fast. Use batched writes and transactions where consistency matters because they ensure atomic updates across documents. Also, add indexes for complex queries and monitor quota usage so your queries stay performant as traffic grows. Finish by deploying rules and indexes via the Firebase CLI and releasing client updates. You should monitor metrics in the console and set alerts for read/write, latency, and storage spikes so you catch regressions fast. When problems occur, check permission-denied logs first, then confirm required composite indexes exist, and review billing or quota limits. These three often explain failures. If you still struggle, roll back rules temporarily and reproduce the issue in a staging project to isolate and fix it without impacting users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.